Hey guys, it's Night coming back at you with another video, and I was contemplating on doing an intro for this or just doing a voiceover. So whichever y'all see, if y'all see this, then I decided to do this as an intro. If y'all don't, then the voiceover. But I just wanted to show y'all this is real life, okay? I have a busy schedule, you know, my life is chaotic. So usually I just come and I just drop stuff down, and typically the kitchen, like the island area, is where I just drop stuff down and just keep going, because I work and I do go to school. So yeah, so this has been accumulating for maybe a few weeks. I don't know, maybe like 2 or something like that. But I typically like to clean like every week, but it's just some weeks where I just work straight through and I don't have no time to sit down and clean, because when you have free time, you know, if you're not working, then you would just like to rest. So that's what I be doing. But I took the time out. It took a couple of days because, you know, I do have stuff to do also. So it did take a couple of days to clean, but y'all, it's finally clean. It's finally looking bomb. And yeah, just don't talk about me, because I'm showing y'all real life. This ain't no picture perfect stuff, so don't talk about me. But yeah, I hope you all enjoy this video. And let's just cue the cleaning clips.
Whoever thought a guy would want a girl like me? Whoever thought that I would fall so easily? Whoever thought that we would finally come to be? I guess they just don't know how much you mean to me. Whoever thought that they would have so much to say? We'll go on anyway. It's alright, it's okay. Take whatever comes our way. Together we will stay. I got 3 words to say. Never say never. I can't believe they stop our happiness, but trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? And when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe that you and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah, there were times when we thought that you and me could never be together. That's why we should have never said never. Said never. About the way me and you get down. What are they jealous or they hate me? I guess they all have their own PhD. I wish that they would just stop sweating me. Stop trying to get the best of me. No matter what they say, baby, gotta move on, 'cause we're gonna be epic. Did they the thoughts that we had? Did they the words that we said?
Drop the roof and let the smoke in. I got diamonds doing Tootsie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas Strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stutter till I die. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my age, it's in action. These days no Kumaye, niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Got it, blood and murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunned till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunned till I die.
After all of the days and all of the nights that we had shared, I could've sworn that you would never do me the way you did. And after all of the plans and memories that we had made, never thought you were capable of causing me so much pain. What was your reason why? Said you were in love with why? Oh why? But it just ain't happening, no. I need to know, oh no. I can't believe that you hurt me. How could you say just like this and call me such pain? Oh baby, please, can you tell me, how could you cause me so much pain? After all of the talks we had about marriage and having kids, you think I'm likely to me that you would ever put something like this? And after all of those times I was there for you and all of